Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have a hardcore home workout for you guys to do. It's gonna be a 12-minute workout, but realistically you can make it as long as you want to. It just depends how many rounds of these exercises that you wanna do. And for this workout, we're gonna be doing every single exercise on this list twice, okay? Each round is 6 minutes, 2 rounds, 12-minute workout. Now you're only gonna need dumbbells for a couple of these exercises, and we'll go over that right now. The way the routine is going to work is you have 3 blocks of exercises. We're going to do each exercise in a row without any rest in between the exercises, and then we're going to take a 30-second break in between the blocks once all 3 exercises are complete. And the amount of time you're doing each exercise for is 30 seconds, so as many reps as possible within 30 seconds for each movement. We're going to complete 2 circuits. All right? So, if you guys want to see more routines like this, make sure you subscribe and tap that like button. And for the rest of you, let's get started.
I don't want to see you, but you fall apart. Even though you told me to get back your heart, I still spin inside your orbit. Yeah. You say that I should probably start to walk away. I'm hoping that you stop and make me have to stay, 'cause I'm floating in your orbit. Yeah, I'm stuck in your space, just my luck. Put me away, you understand. There's nothing left to say. Pull me back, take my hand, call my name. You understand, I wanna stay. 'Cause I don't wanna walk away. 'Cause I don't wanna walk away. I don't wanna walk away. Yeah, I'm stuck in your space. Just my luck. Put me away, you understand. There's nothing left to say. Pull me back, take my hand. I'm on my knees, you understand. I wanna stay. 'Cause I don't wanna walk away. I wanna see you, but you fall apart. Even though you told me to get back your heart, still spinning inside your orbit. I should probably start to walk away. I'm hoping that you stop and make me have to stay, 'cause I'm floating in your orbit. Pull me back, take my hand, call my name. You understand, I wanna stay. 'Cause I don't wanna walk away. Yeah, I'm stuck in your space, just my luck. Put me away, you understand. There's nothing left to say. Pull me back.
All right, guys, that wraps up the workout. And if you managed to complete both rounds with me, congratulations. And if you still got more gas in that tank, try to go through the video one more time, maybe 2 times max. Push your limits and see what you're capable of. And if you enjoy workout routines like this, I'm gonna link you guys to one of my favorite workouts that you can do at home right here, because I got about 30 more of these follow-along workouts on my website, muscularstrength.com. And for those of you guys who enjoy my channel and you wanna support me, the best way to do it is by paying 10 bucks a month and getting to be a platinum member on my website, because you get access to thousands of workouts that I've produced over the last 10 years, as well as my custom meal planner and a private forum section. I'll see you guys there.